Welcome back to If you're passionate about motorcycles and the thrill of the ride, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into one of the most coveted superbikes on the market, the Yamaha R1M. Get ready for an in-depth exploration of its features, performance, and what makes it stand out in the world of high-performance motorcycles. Let's hit the road. The Yamaha R1M is not just a motorcycle. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed for those who crave speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology. First launched in 2015, the R1M quickly became a benchmark in the superbike segment, boasting an impressive blend of performance and features that appeal to both seasoned riders and track enthusiasts alike. Let's start with the design. The R1M is striking at first glance. It sports an aggressive and aerodynamic profile, reminiscent of Yamaha's MotoGP machines. The sharp lines and sculpted bodywork not only make it look fast standing still but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency. The R1M features a carbon fiber front fender and side fairings, which not only add to its lightweight structure, but also enhance the overall aesthetic appeal. Moving on to the heart of the machine, the engine. The R1M is powered by a 998cc inline-four engine, derived from the Yamaha R1. It produces an astonishing 200 horsepower and 112 Nm of torque. But what does this power translate to in real-world performance? When you twist the throttle, the R1M delivers explosive acceleration, rocketing from 0 to 60 mph in just over 3 seconds. The cross-blade crankshaft design contributes to a unique firing order, providing an unmistakable soundtrack that makes riding this beast an exhilarating experience. Now, let's discuss the advanced electronics that make the R1M a true track weapon. Yamaha has equipped the R1M with a sophisticated suite of electronics known as the Yamaha Ride Control system. This includes multiple ride modes, traction control, slide control, and a quick shifter that enables seamless upshifts and downshifts without the need to clutch. The level of customization available means that you can tailor the bike's settings to match your riding style or track conditions, giving you an unparalleled edge. But what sets the R1M apart from its competitors is its World Superbike Championship-inspired technology. One of the standout features is the advanced electronics package, which includes a 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU. This unit continuously monitors the bike's position and movement, allowing for real-time adjustments to various systems, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're leaning into a corner or accelerating out of one, the R1M stability and control are second to none. Let's not forget about the suspension. The R1M is equipped with a fully adjustable Öhlins electronic suspension system, which automatically adjusts to provide the best damping for your riding style and the road conditions. This system not only improves comfort but also maximizes grip and stability, especially when you're pushing the limits on the track. Riders often rave about how the suspension feels both plush and responsive, allowing for confident cornering. In terms of braking, the R1M is equipped with high-performance disc brakes. The front features dual 320mm discs, while the rear sports a 220mm disc. These brakes provide excellent stopping power, crucial for a bike that's built for high speeds. Coupled with the ABS system, you can ride with confidence knowing that you have the latest braking technology at your fingertips. The R1M also boasts a striking TFT display that provides all the essential information at a glance. It's customizable, allowing riders to choose what they want to see while riding, be it speed, revs, gear position, or even lap times if you're at the track. The clarity of the display, even in bright sunlight, is impressive and enhances the overall riding experience. So, what about comfort and ergonomics? The seating position on the R1M is decidedly sporty, placing you in a forward-leaning stance that's ideal for aggressive riding. The seat itself is well padded, though long-distance comfort might be a consideration for some. For track days, this riding position enhances control and responsiveness, but it's worth noting that this bike is best suited for spirited rides, rather than leisurely Sunday cruises. Now, let's talk about the experience of riding the R1M. The moment you swing a leg over this bike, you can feel the adrenaline kicking in. The power delivery is immediate and ferocious, making every twist of the throttle feel electric. On the track, the R1M shines, providing feedback and confidence that encourages you to push harder. It's a bike that rewards skill and precision, making it a favorite among track enthusiasts. When comparing the R1M to its competitors, it's essential to consider what you're looking for in a superbike. The Ducati Panigale V4, for example, offers a different character with its V4 engine and unique styling. However, the Yamaha R1M often edges out in terms of technology and rider aids, making it more accessible for a wider range of riders, from novices to seasoned professionals. Maintenance is also a vital consideration for any motorcycle enthusiast. The R1M's service intervals are relatively standard for a high-performance machine, but it's essential to keep an eye on oil changes, chain maintenance, and tire conditions. Yamaha's reliability is well regarded, so with proper care, the R1M should serve you well for many years. As for pricing, the Yamaha R1M sits at a premium compared to other superbikes. However, when you factor in the technology, performance, and overall package, many enthusiasts consider it worth every penny. It's a bike that not only performs exceptionally but also carries a certain prestige, often found in the paddocks of racing events. Now, let's touch on the community surrounding the R1M. The Yamaha brand has a passionate following, and the R1M is often seen as a flagship model within that community. Riders often share their experiences online, from track days to customizing their bikes with aftermarket parts, creating a vibrant network of enthusiasts who support and inspire one another. In conclusion, the Yamaha R1M is more than just a superbike. It's an embodiment of Yamaha's racing heritage and commitment to innovation. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and stunning design, it stands out as a top choice for anyone serious about performance riding. Whether you're tearing up the track or enjoying a spirited ride on your favorite backroads, the R1M delivers an experience that's hard to match. Before we wrap up, if you're considering getting into the world of superbikes, the R1M deserves a spot on your shortlist. It represents a perfect blend of power, technology, and style, making it a truly extraordinary motorcycle. Thanks for joining us today on Your Channel Name. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Yamaha R1M, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the R1M. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Ride safe, and we'll see you next time.